I'm Larissa and I will be explaining the multiplication rule. The multiplication rule is the probability that event A and B both occur is equal to the probability that event B occurs given that A has occurred. Next, we will find the probability of dependent or independent events. Firstly, the probability of two dependent events. This is two events in which the outcome of the first event does affect the outcome of the second event. This is seen as P open bracket A intersection B close the bracket equals P open bracket A and B close bracket times P open bracket B close bracket. Moving on to probability of independent events. Two events in which the outcomes of the first event does not affect the outcomes of the second event. This is seen as P open bracket A intersection B close bracket equals P open bracket A close bracket times P open bracket B close bracket. Okay, moving on to the examples. With the deck of cards, two cards are drawn from a standard deck. Find the probability if no replacement occurs. Note, P is two hearts, meaning that two hearts can be drawn right after each other from the deck of cards. State that the event is either dependent or independent. When you do the calculations, there are in total 13 hearts within the 52 deck card. The probability will be seen as P open bracket H1 close the bracket times P open bracket H2 close the bracket. This gives you 13 over 52 times 12 over 51 because you have already drawn a card from the first event. This gives you a total of 1 over 17. To the example of independent event, we'll be using a dice. A die is rolled twice. Find each probability. Find the probability that you'll roll a 5 first and then a 1. State whether it's a dependent or independent event. This can be calculated as P open bracket 5 close bracket times P open bracket 1 close bracket. This is written as 1 over 6 since 5 can appear once times 1 over 6 since 1 can appear once equaling 1 over 36. Thanks guys, hope I could help. Please like the page below.